Hi, my name is Amul, and this is the demo recording for Gupshup and Salesforce integration. So, in this integration, basically the Gupshup allows users to send the WhatsApp messages via Salesforce platform. So, let's start with the demo. So, this is the demo recording for features which we support right now in this integration, and I'll show you how to use these features. Okay, so as you can see in my screen on my screen, so this is the URL for the documentation of this integration. So this is the introduction. So basically we support these are the standard objects in a Salesforce where we support direct messages to the records. Okay, so these are the features. If you can read this document, and there's one video we have already added into this documentation to how to install this application into Salesforce platform. If you can see here we have mentioned the steps. This is the installation steps. So before start the installation, you just need two things. One is the Gupshup account for the WhatsApp messages, and one Salesforce account, sandbox account. Okay, so these are the prerequisite. Anyone know how to use the Salesforce, they know how they will definitely know how to do these configurations. Okay, the installation step is simple. You just need to click on this installation URL, and there are a few things you need to select and just click on install. That's it. So the app will get automatically installed. There's a few setup configuration things we need to do. We need to add the CSV trusted site. So it's a basic thing in the Salesforce, and we need to activate the Gupshup page layout into that object layout. So if you can go through this document, you will find this detail how to activate the page. Okay, so now let's move to the Salesforce. So this is my test account. So I have already done the installation part and the setup, the page activation part. So let's directly go to the application. So if you click on this one app launcher and just search for Gupshup, so it will open this page. Here you will get all the objects which are the standard object, like account, lead, opportunities, contact, cases. These are the standard objects. Okay, so from this record you can directly send the WhatsApp messages. I'll show you that. Before that, we just first need to add the channels. So channels means the Gupshup account we need to add. So for that, click on the app launcher and click on the channels. Okay, so if you click on the new button, so here you need to provide channel name. You can give any channel name. You need to select the channel type. Basically, the Gupshup provides us two types of accounts. One is enterprise and one is self-serve. As per your requirement, you can get one account and use this integration. So let's say if we are using enterprise, just select enterprise. If you want to use self-serve, just select the self-serve. Okay. So this detail you will get from the Gupshup support team. Okay. So the HSM ID, password, and the WhatsApp business number is basically the WhatsApp number. And there are a few things like these are the settings. Is active is basically this will activate this channel. Receive incoming messages means once you click this now, it will enable the two-way communication, and enable in-app notification in for inbound. If you enable this, you will get the if any user send WhatsApp message, it will display on the in this notification icon, bell icon. Okay, I'll show you this one sample account. Yeah, so as you can see, the channel name I have given as a Gupshup test account. This is my HSM ID, password, and this is my WhatsApp number, business WhatsApp number, and all the checkbox are active. So I'll just ensure. Okay, so now the two-way communication is also active. So let's directly move to the leads. So I'll show you how to do the WhatsApp communication. So I'm selecting this record with the name of Amul Kesre. So once you edit this app record, you will get one flag, Gupshup Global Opt-in. This flag needs to be always checked because it's an opt-in process, and the opt-in is always required. So okay, so if you open this lead, you will get one button, send WhatsApp message. This button will get activated once you activate the Gupshup page layout. Okay, on click this button, you need to select the Gupshup account channel. So I'm using this channel. Here you need to select the phone number. Okay, so it will display the communication like same like a WhatsApp application. So first I'll show you how to send the template messaging. So in the WhatsApp, you cannot directly send a message. First, a message should be always a pre-approved template. Then once the user reply on that message, then the session will activate for 24 hours and you can directly do the communication. I'll show you how to do that. So let's say I'll select this template type as a text, and I'll select as a basic text. So this is the one text template which is approved template. If I click on send button, so as you can see, message is sent and it is showing here, okay, with the timestamp. And if I go to my WhatsApp, okay, so this is the my HSM account, sorry, WhatsApp account. So if you can see, I received the message. This is the basic text template message. So now once the user is reply the message on this message, like I'm sending hi Gupshup. So if I go back to the Salesforce, I'll get this message instantly. So it's a live communication. So if you want to reply on this message again, so just click on this reply button. Sorry, and type any text message like hi, we have new opening. Are you interested? Like that, and just click on send button. So once you send, it will instantly send the message to the end user. So as you can see, I have received this message. Sorry. So this is the basically the live communication we can do with the records. The same process follows in the accounts, opportunity, contacts, on the all the objects. If you go to account, if you open the lead, sorry, account record, here also you will get the send WhatsApp message button. Okay, here also we show the chat history, if you can see. Okay, so this is the one feature we have. So it's a live chat. Now the personalized template message, basically from the Gupshup account you get now, from that account you can create your own template list. I'll show you that list. So it's a pre-approved list. So these are the types of lists like text template, image template, video, document. So if you want to send the image template, so I'll select one sample template. This one here, we need to upload one image because it's an image template. Not sure about this. Sorry. So I'll upload this image. Okay, so it's a screenshot, no issues. And here, if you can see, there are two variables are present. So I'll select a variable name. You can directly type the variable values like range from 100 to 200, or you can select any variable from this list. So if you can see, I'll select here as 100 and here I select as a last name. So if I click on send button, so if you can see, the message is triggered and I got the message as well. So if I go to my WhatsApp, here the image, you can upload any kind of image, and here the message. And if you can see, I have added as a variable as 100 and last name as my last name is, this is my last name. Okay, so this is the personalized messaging. Now I'll show you how to do the bulk messaging in this Salesforce application. So bulk messaging is possible via campaigns and the bulk messaging object itself. Okay, so I'll show you first in the bulk messaging. So if you go to the bulk messaging object, here you need to select the object type as account, lead, or contact opportunity. I'll select as a lead, and here you need to select the list view. List view is basically the user's list view. Sorry. Okay, so here once you select the list view, it will display all the records which is present inside this list view. So If you want to select all the records, you can select, or I'll select one or two records, and I click on this send Gupshup message button. And again, you need to select the same thing, like channel, the mobile number, and the template. From this bulk messaging, you can only send the template messaging. You cannot do the live messages into the bulk messaging. Okay, this is the limitation. Only pre-approved template can be sent from the bulk messages. Okay, so as you can see, the message is triggered, and I got this message. I trigger this uh, message. Okay, it's a hyperlink message. Okay, so this is the one bulk messages from the bulk messaging object. Also, you can do the bulk messaging from the campaigns also. So for that, you can create your own new campaign. I'll show you my existing campaign. So this is my existing campaign. If you scroll down to the campaign members list, so as you can see in my campaign members, there are total 5 records already present. Okay, and here in the buttons tab, if you click on this drop down, you will get one option. So basically, I put this button inside this drop down view. That's why it shows here. If you want, you can just change your page layout and display this button uh, here itself. Okay, so I'll click on send Gupshup message button, and again the same process. You just need to select the channel, the number, and the approved template. Let's run the test. Okay, it's a different language. Oh, the character limit is increased. I'll send header with variable. Okay, ठीक है. Oh, something is wrong. Sorry. Let me try again. I'll send this message, and here I'm going to ID 1234. Send. Okay, so once this message triggered, so it will trigger all the 5 members which is present inside this campaign. So if you can see, I got this message as well. Okay, and now if you want to see this all the conversation which is happening from the Salesforce, you need to go to the WhatsApp message history, and here if you can select all the list views. Here you will see the all the messages which is triggered from the Salesforce platform. So recently I sent this message. Okay, to my number. So okay, so this is the number which is used in one of the campaign. So, and this is the message body, this is the delivered from number, and this is the response with the transaction ID, and this is the lead name, basically the name of this lead for which the message is triggered, and the owner. So every information we stored inside this WhatsApp message history. Okay, okay, now one more thing, we also support the regular SMS. So we supports WhatsApp, also the regular SMS. So I'll show you that as well. So if you go to the channels again, so here if you click on new button, there's one option channel type. So if you click on the channel type, here one option like SMS. So for SMS, it's a regular SMS, not the WhatsApp SMS. So we need to give the channel name, any channel name, and the user ID and password. That's it. Here we do not support any two-way communication, and there is no notification. It's only for the marketing purpose. So I'll show you my the test channel. So this is my test channel. If you can see, this is my user ID and this is password. So before sending a test message, we need to create templates. So for that, you just need to go to the templates objects. That you can just click on this app launcher, search for template. You will get the templates object. Okay, click on the new template. It will I'll show you my template, existing template. So it's a simple process. You just need to give the template name, template message body. So variable will be in SMS, regular SMS, the variable should be displayed like this. So if you want to pass any variable, the format will be like this. And channel type should be the actual the channel which is added into the channel's configuration. Okay, I'll show you how to send this SMS. SMS only support on the bulk messaging. You cannot do the regular SMS from this another object. So if you go to the bulk messaging, select any object. So let's say I'll select my lead, select the SMS channel, select the number, categorize the text and the template. Here we have total three variables. That's why it's showing the three values. So I'll give name like Amol. Sorry, I'll give test one, test two, and test three. Send. Sorry. So basically, once you click on send button, it will automatically send this message on my regular message mobile number. So I got the message. Um, I cannot show you because I do not support have access in my regular SMS in my laptop. But yeah, I got the message. Okay, so next thing is the last one is the flow feature. Flow feature is basically user will able to send the WhatsApp messages when the any new records get created or updated. So let's say inside this any object or any other object, not the only standard object, any other object, if any records get created or updated, then it will automatically trigger one WhatsApp message to that user. Okay, so you can use this feature in in any kind of billing process. Like let's say if with any is there any value changes in that the billing amount, so you it will automatically trigger one message to the customer that it will inform the customer that your billing amount is changed. Like that you can create your sample template and you can do that thing. So I'll show you how to do that. So if you go to this documentation and the feature 6, here we have already uploaded the one video recording to create the flow configuration. Okay, so I'll just give you the how to use that flow feature. So for that you need to go to the flow configuration. It's a flow configuration one of the object. Here you just click on new button, so it will open. uh, I'll show you that, just a minute. This iframe, here you need to select the channel from which channel you need to send the WhatsApp messages. Select the flow name, give any name, flow name. So I'll give you a test underscore flow 1, and the object from which the object where you are going to edit or update the lead record. So let's say I'm selecting lead. So once you select the object, it will display the list of numbers which is present, like the fields in this inside this object. So let's say I'll select the phone number. So basically the number the message will get triggered on this phone field mobile number. Okay, then you need to click on this select template button. Here you just need to select a template and the template type. Sorry, template. So let's say this is a new ticket has been created with the case ID. So let's say if any record get updated, it will automatically trigger this message that new ticket has been created with the case ID is equal to the variable is a lead ID. Okay, so I have already created one flow configuration. Okay, and there's one more thing you need to do. You need to activate this flow configuration. So how you can do that? You need to go to the setup, search for flow. Okay, so here you need to create this flow. So it's a very lengthy process, so I'll suggest to refer this documentation and check this video recording, so you will get idea how to create the flow. Okay, so I'll just show you how the one flow I have created. So this is the flow. If you can see, the object is lead, and once the record is created or updated, it will trigger the WhatsApp message. Okay, so this is the flow. So I'll show you how it works. So if you go to, so I have created this flow for lead. So if any lead get created or updated, it will trigger a message. So I'll update my lead. So let's say I'll edit my lead. So currently my first name is I have added one variable as a first name. So currently, if you can see, my first name with the Amol and last three alphabets are triple L. Okay, so I'll remove this 2L and I'll correct my name, and I'll just click on the save button. Okay, so once this is updated, the record is updated, and if I refresh this page, so if you scroll down, I'll see the message history. So 5:10, I got one message. The status of case, this one has been updated to Amol. So this is my latest updated name. If you can see, previously it was Amol with triple L. So if I go to my WhatsApp message here, also if you can see 5:10, and I got this message, a status of the case. This is the case ID has been updated to Amol. So this is the pre-approved template I have selected. So I'll again one more time I'll update my name. I'll show you how it works. So this time I'll add as Amol K, and I'll just click on save button. So if you can see, my name is updated. So if I refresh here again, so if you can see, I got one more message with my updated name Amol K. So every time if any records get updated, it will automatically trigger a message, a WhatsApp message with the updated data. Okay, like this features work. If you create any record, also it will trigger one message. Only thing is that that number should be the WhatsApp number, and the number format should be correct. Okay, so this is the automation flow, like flow configuration, which is working flow, the Salesforce integration. So these are the features we provide in this Salesforce integration. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.